The Evil Bunny, that's me, presents the new Happy Pill show. New year, new idea. On this show, I will talk about everything. That's right, everything. Unlike other shows, I will not waste your time and mine talking cock and singing song. We have better things to do. We will cover crucial issues. Issues that matter to you. Issues that matter to me. Issues that matter to the uncle over there.
You talking to me, is it? You talking to me? Hello?
Tata prices, online romance, sex, STD, mutts and their choice of tapered jeans. Heck, I will even talk about the ball on my butt if you let me, cause I don't care anymore. Nothing is taboo. I will also talk about politics. They think I'm scared. Come on. Actually, I am scared a little bit. I don't want to spend time in jail, and my mom will be worried. You know how our government is sensitive about this sort of issue. But like I said, nothing is taboo. For this episode, I want to cover 2 points. So listen up, Singaporeans and some Malaysian, a couple of Filipinos, 1 Indonesian, and 1 Angmo from Australia. I can see you from here. First point, I want to wish you a Happy New Year 2009. So here it goes. Happy New Year to you and your family, and I wish you well. Second point, I want to talk about the recession. Yes, just when you thought 2008 is bad, 2009 is gonna be a bitch. Yes, I also curse on my show cause I can, and the fact that I don't care anymore. America is on the verge of an economic meltdown. Sibei suay. But I notice a lot of you out there are still blur on how all of this happened. Yes, blur like a bunch of sotongs. So let the Evil Bunny and his team of economic nerds explain to you Happy Pill style. Okay, first we start in America with a guy named Joe. Joe wants to buy a house. Joe goes to the bank to get a loan. So far clear or not? Okay, Joe go to the bank. The bank checks Joe financial status, monthly income savings and all that good stuff to see if Joe can afford a house in the first place. Since Joe is a good saver and he got a good job, the bank approved his loan. This loan is also called a mortgage. Okay, clear? What do you think the bank do with the mortgage? Put one corner in a filing cabinet? No lah. Bank also want to make money, what? The bank take 5 more Joes and put all these mortgage loans in a box. They take this box and go to the ratings agency. This box is called a security. The ratings agency gives these 5 loans in a box, also called a security, and give it a rating of AAA, which of course is a very good thing. If they give it triple F, that means failure. Triple X is a type of porno that can blind your eyes. This box, they sell it on Wall Street, and Wall Street sell it to investors in Japan, in Germany, Australia, and maybe also Singapore. You go ask your papa right now, check if he got buy security 5 mortgage loan in the box thing or not. Go ask him go ask him. For a while, this idea is the best because a lot of people make money. The bank make money, investors also make money. Karena everybody make money Mortgage loan seems to be an in thing to invest because it's stable. Okay, here comes the problem. Then, the bank come up with an idea. They want more mortgage loan security 5 paper in a box thing. Cause there is a lot of demand for it. They also want to make more money. More money buy what also I don't know So since people with good saving and stable employment like Joe, it's quite difficult to come by. They thought, why don't we put 4 good loan with 1 bad loan? Wholesale People see the paper so don't know what. And I don't think it's gonna cause a lot of damage, right? That's what they think So now enter John. John wants a home. John got no stable job, no regular income, and no savings. The bank looked at John up and down and approve his loan. So, with every 4 good Joes, they place 1 bad John in a box and they give it to the rating agency. The rating agency look at it, a bunch of paper also, and gave it a AAA. Bank celebrate like no tomorrow. They sell it to Wall Street. A lot of investors still buy thinking that it's the same like the rest. But over time, one by one, the Johns cannot pay up. So the flow of money stopped. USA house prices began to decline around 2006, 2007. The investors back out. Don't want to buy 5 paper in a box anymore, also called a security. Bank use their own deposit to pay the investors. When the bank ran out of money, they closed down. Merrill Lynch was bought by Bank of America. Lehman Brothers declared bankruptcy. AIG received emergency loan from the US government. Washington Mutual kena sold to JP Morgan. To cut the story short, everybody kena screwed ah. Investors all over the world are angry because the US banks are not being truthful. Instead of looking at the 5 loans in a box like gold, now they term it as toxic waste. And so the subprime mortgage crisis is born and we are in a recession. To conclude, the evil bunny want to point out that the whole mess is the cause of predatory lending, also called subprime loan. Crafty mortgage brokers and bankers give loans to poor people like John, knowing very well that he cannot pay up, cause they just want to make a quick buck. I hope you learned something today. Tune in next time for another dose of the Happy Pills Show. Remember, if you're not happy, I'm not happy.